In this video, we are going to show you how to create beautiful slides in PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background. Click on Picture or Texture Fill, go to File, select and insert it. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Circle, drag it like this. Make two duplicates by pressing Ctrl Shift. Select all, go to Merge Shape, select Fragment and remove extra part. Select this, click on right button, go to Format Shape, select this and that and delete. Select this and go to Color. Now use the eyedropper to choose a color. Increase transparency, select this, go to Color. Now use the eyedropper to choose a color. Increase transparency. Also select this and go to Color. Now use the eyedropper to choose a color. Increase transparency. Select all. Go to Format. Shape Outline. Make it no outline. For example, I am adding a text box and also adding the logo and PPT information. Select this. Go to Animation tab. Select Wipe. Go to Effect option. Select from left. Increase duration size also. Select this, click on Animation Painter and apply to this shape. Go to Effect option, select from top. At the same time as the previous animation. Play the animation after a certain numbers of the seconds. Again click on Animation Painter and apply it to the shape. Go to Effect option, select from right. Increase delay size. Animate the remaining text boxes and icon using Animation Painter and change the direction and delay size. Now click on Slideshow. See friends, how beautiful our animation looks. It is amazing and it is also very too easy to make. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends.